Okay guys, this is the time to unbox another Bissell vacuum cleaner. So it's a little bit smaller than previous one. So previous one I returned in the shop. Then I bought this little one. I think it's also not okay for my home. So let's try it and then check it out. Okay, let's unbox the box. Okay, first I got the user manual inside of the box. And this is the handle at the same. So its handle is little bit different. I can attach the hose pipe with the handle too. This is the hose pipe. It's a little bit flexible than previous one. Here it's little bit flexible, you can see it. That's why I bought this one, because it's essential for me. I need to clean my car too with this vacuum cleaner. So that's why I bought this flexible vacuum cleaner. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. This is another brush. So I can clean my sofa with this brush and my car seat. And this is another small brush, so it was also included in the previous one. And finally, this is the vacuum cleaner. Actually it's a little bit smaller than the previous one, so I am not sure it will be okay for my home or not. Its color was great, excellent, purple color. Now I'll connect all accessories with this cleaner and I'll try it. So thanks for watching guys.